Hi, I'm Kyle Jorgensen with Revolution Machine Tool, the president of Revolution Machine Tool. Today I'm going to go over one of our machines. This is our one of our plate bevelers. It's this middle machine. There's a series of 3 machines. This is the middle version. This machine, PBV 1.375, is a 1 3/8" machine. So that's my max capacity or material thickness capacity. Now, I could bevel with this machine, say 1 3/8" stainless steel, because this is a milling machine. It's just a matter of setting my feeds and my speeds of my milling cutter. I'll get into that in a minute. But go over some basic features of the machine. I mean, this handle here is for my thickness adjustment. I've got a scale here that tells me what thickness I'm running. I've also got angle adjustment. See, this machine allows you to go from 15 degree to 55 degree, depending on what you're after, the characteristics you're after. This here is to adjust your depth of your landing or your root to get exactly what you need. Now I'm able to adjust my angle, and I've got an angle scale, and it'll tell me where where the milling cutter is. I'm going to bevel this 1-inch plate. Now we've already set our width for the plate. I've set an angle and I've set my landing. Now I've got an indicator that tells me what the RPM of my milling cutter is. I've also got a feed indicator. Now, this machine is vertical. It's nice for smaller pieces. The next machine up is horizontal. Is better for big pieces. But this machine is really good for smaller pieces. Now, I could feed a piece one after the other into this machine. Now we've got underneath the machine, I've got a nice chip tray to catch the milling chips. Again, I could have another piece right behind this, but a lot of guys will build a tray, catch parts, that kind of thing. Now, you notice, it's not hot. There's our bevel. Now, I could run the same piece again. This is 1-inch plate, mild steel. Like I said, I think it's A572 grade 50. Just some scrap that we had. There's our bevel. Now, I mean, there's lots of ways to do a bevel. I mean, with a plasma, I mean, there's a lot of multi-axis plasma tables, lasers. But it gets very difficult, those type of machines, to get this landing correct. You know, if there's a call out for a particular route or landing. and the speed and, you know, the type of stuff you're doing here. I mean, there's pretty good easily justified justification for this type of machine. If you got a little bit of work. Also, there's a lot of these machines that we're going to be putting in colleges, universities, weld schools. I mean, all kinds of pipe mills, shipyards. I mean, there's a lot of uses or places for this machine.